Right now I'm gonna show you guys how to pull off this explosive cup prank to get these awesome results. Before we begin though, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for a chance to win a prank kit. Alright then, let's get started.
Let's get started with this awesome prank. And as you can see on the counter, this is all you're gonna need. Some vinegar, baking soda, some plastic wrap, Kool-Aid, and this is a lid and a straw which go with the cup that you get at your favorite restaurant. Now, like I said, I went to McDonald's and I got this. So this is what I'm gonna use for this demonstration. For this prank, you're gonna have to volunteer to get your friend a cup of soda or whatever he likes to drink from his favorite restaurant, of course. So once you get to a restaurant, you get the cup, and obviously don't fill it up with anything. Just take it home, and when your friend is not looking, you're gonna prep this prank. Make sure the cup is dry and that there's no liquids in there. And what you're gonna do is pour some baking soda inside the cup. About an inch or so, like up to here, maybe an inch and a half. That is perfect. That'll add weight to the cup so that your victim won't be suspicious. All right, now you're gonna get a piece of plastic wrap. So place the piece of plastic wrap over the cup and then push it in like this. You can go as deep as you want depending on how much vinegar you're gonna add inside. Now before you put the vinegar inside, you might want to add some Kool-Aid. Also, depending on what kind of drink your friend asked for, try to match that color. For example, let's say your friend told you, hey, can you get me some grape soda or orange? You go and try to match the Kool-Aid, just to make it as realistic as possible. So just add a little bit of Kool-Aid. In this case, I'm gonna add some purple Kool-Aid. And then, of course, like I mentioned, add the vinegar inside. This is where you gotta be a little bit careful though. You wanna be holding on to the plastic wrap so it doesn't go in, because the vinegar will add weight to it. So you don't want it to go in just yet. So fill it up all the way to the very top. That is a lot of vinegar. And the more vinegar, the better. So while holding that plastic wrap, place the lid so that it snaps in and it actually let go of the plastic wrap. So yes, you got a bunch of it sticking out, and that's why you get a blade and you just cut it off. So just go around trimming it and your victim won't be able to suspect a thing. And now it looks like a regular cup of soda, and it is heavy, so therefore your victim will not get suspicious at all. This is perfect. Just like you just saw, it doesn't take much to set up this prank. It doesn't really take a lot. It takes less than a minute if you do it fast. So there you go. This is the booby-trapped cup. I'm pretty sure you guys know what happens when you mix vinegar and baking soda, right? If not, then you might want to Google it or wait till you see the demonstration here. So the last thing is to actually leave the cup on the counter and tell your friend that it's there. And don't forget to leave a straw behind, because that's what's gonna pierce through that plastic wrap and release that vinegar into the baking soda. So I'm gonna give you an awesome demonstration of what will happen when your victim puts a straw inside the cup. Alright, so you told your friend, hey bro, your drink's on the counter, go get it. So he'll either grab it and take it to the table, or he'll just put the straw right there and then, and this is what's gonna happen. Grab the straw, and obviously you use force when you insert the straw into the lid, because as you can see, it's not that easy to just push it in. So you use force, and with that force it's actually gonna help pierce through the plastic wrap. So this is what's gonna happen. Oh man, yeah, it's messier than I thought. So yes, pranksters, that's the reaction that you'll get, or that's the reaction that they'll get once they put the straw through that lid. And it will be totally unexpected, and they will freak out. And I'm trying to push the liquids back because I don't want to clean this mess. So yeah, pranksters, try this out. It's a really funny prank. So let me know what you guys think. That demo was so good that I just have to do it again. So I've booby-trapped the cup once more, and let's see what happens again. Well, I just missed. So this is a big fail, but no, I'm pretty sure your victim won't miss. It's because I have the camera here, so I was looking at the camera. But yes, let's do it again. Let's do it again. Oh man, look at that. Yes, and it happens instantly, so it's not like it takes a while. As soon as they put the straw in, the vinegar starts mixing with the baking soda, and the reaction is instantly. So this is what happens, pranksters. It's a really fun, messy prank that you just gotta do. Just gotta. It doesn't take much. I'm pretty sure you guys already have vinegar and baking soda at home. All you gotta do is get your victim's favorite cup, maybe some Kool-Aid, just to make the prank a bit more fun. And that's it, pranksters. Go ahead, try it out. Just so you guys know, this is an original Nextraker prank.
There you guys have it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching what I just showed you. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.
This is like the worst part, cleaning up. Well, while I do that, pranksters, please check out the rest of my videos. If you want to see more cup pranks, my channel's filled with those. There's a lot of cup pranks you can find at my channel, so please go ahead and check those out.